How to put on multiple accessories in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can put on multiple accessories in Roblox. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step is open up your Roblox, and on the top left you'll find three lines. Tap on that and tap on avatar. After you're on your avatar, you should be able to edit it. So here the thing is, if you want to put on multiple accessories, find the accessories that you want to put on. So let's say that here are multiple accessories. All you have to do is open each accessories in another tab since we'll need the asset ID of all of those. So right click on the accessories and open the link in another tab. So since I only have one here, I'll just show you with something else. Let me just go to t-shirts maybe. Okay, never mind. So after you've opened up this item or accessories in another tab, you'll find the asset ID on the top link right here. This is the series of number. So just copy that. Come back here and let me go to accessories again. Go to neck and there we go. You'll find the advanced option. Tap on advanced and all you have to do is just paste the asset ID here. So if you have since you want to put on multiple accessories, just do the same and copy the ID from here. Come back right here and paste it again. Finally tap on save. Then override by tapping on save, and you will have put on multiple accessories in your Roblox. And it's that simple, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.